Experiencing lag spikes in Roblox can disrupt your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce lag and improve your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. You can also run a speed test to check your current internet speed. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background on your device. Programs that use a lot of bandwidth or processing power can contribute to lag, so shutting them down can free up resources for Roblox. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in Roblox. Go to the settings menu in the game and reduce the graphics quality. This can help improve performance, especially on devices with low specifications. Step 4. Clear cache and temporary files. Clear the cache and temporary files from your device. This can help improve performance by freeing up storage space and reducing the load on your system. You can usually do this through your device's settings or by using a cleaning tool. Step 5. Update your device in Roblox. Make sure your device's operating system and the Roblox application are both up to date. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can help reduce lag. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your Roblox gaming experience. Enjoy smoother gameplay.